We are going to learn how to copy files, guys, using the cp command. Remember, the cp command enables you to copy files and folders. Okay, so let me do ls here so that you see the files and folders I have here. Okay, let's copy the ebook.pdf. Let's copy it into the test folder. If I do ls, the test folder, it is blank. Test folder is blank. You can see there is nothing in the test folder. Let's copy the ebook, cp ebook. Okay, ebook.pdf. Want to copy it to test folder, and if I do ls test folder now, if I do ls test folder now, you can see I have ebook inside it. So that is how to copy file, guys. So if you look at my desktop here, I have this sample folder. So if I want to copy it into my CMD tutorial, I can say copy. So it has some files. You can say copy dot slash. That means I'm going one level up to the desktop. Then I have sample folder. So I want to copy everything. Okay, so if I want to copy only the files inside it, if I open it, so I have some files and folders inside the sample folder. Let me close it. So if I want to only copy all the files inside it, so I want to copy all the files, that is the asterisk means copy everything inside this folder. I want to move it to my test folder. My test folder is inside my CMD tutorial, my current directory. So I will now say /test. I'm copying the files and folders that are inside the sample folder, which is on the desktop, and I'm copying it into the test folder. Remember, in the test folder, I've already copied the ebook.pdf inside it. Okay, so if I press enter now, okay, there is error. The reason why I'm getting error is because I have to add the R flag. So I'm going back and add the -R. So -R means recursively copy everything inside that folder and press enter now. There is no error, guys. There is no error. Let me list the content of the test folder now. The test folder. You see now I have the doc.md that it copied from this folder. It copied the files including the web folder that is inside this directory. Do you see? To copy everything here and move it into the test folder, which is inside my current working directory. Okay, so you can copy files and folders like this. That is how to copy files, guys. Thank you for watching this video.